7 LED RGBW strobe power light with wireless remote control. Let's see how they looks like and also what's included in the box as accessory it's right now. First, we do have the user manual. Then we have some thumb screw with the rubber gasket here. Then we have mounting brackets, 2 of them here and 2 of them here. Then we have light number 1, lights number 2, and they can be controlled separately with each remote control, so 2 remote control here in the box to control the 2 lights. And that's all for the box. Here is a closer look at the remote control. It looks very nice and professional with all the function here, with of course classic off-on, and then you have all the program that you can access directly with the simple key press. And of course, there is a pull tab here, plastic pull tab, because each remote control comes with its own battery. To activate it, you just have to pull this tab and the battery is activated. Now the remote control will be working. And now let's reveal, here we go, the lights. That's one of them. Looks very nice with all this round RGB around and one in the middle. And those RGB line here, like a star, making a star shape around those round RGB lights. Otherwise, the body, it's plastic on the top or the bottom, or top and bottom, depending how you orientate the lights. This is where you are going to mount the bracket that was included in the box with those thumb screw. So thumb screw and the rubber gasket goes here, and then you mount the bracket here on the light, and they will be ready to mount on your strut or anywhere else you need those RGB light or RGB spotlight. In the back of the device here we do have some vents, so a normal vent on the top here, and here on the bottom we have a fan, and here we do have DMX in and DMX out, so in case if you want to control those lights with DMX you can do it as well. And the power plug is just a normal 110 volt plug. You don't need a special DMX adapter for power, which is great. And here we do have the LCD screen that allows you, without the remote control, to already access some basic programmation of the lights. So here with the menu button, up and down and enter, you can here set up the light the way you like, quickly without the need of the remote, if that's your style. Or if you forgot the remote, at least you have this option right there. And the LED screen will show you which program is actually running right now on the light. So also very useful information here on the back, as you can see here on your screen. And here we go, all power up and all install. And the good thing with those lights is the fact that you can control them only with one remote. You don't need 2 remotes. It's really like in case if they are very far apart, then you need a remote for each spotlight. But in this case, when they are very close to each other, you can just remote control both lights with one remote control, like you see on, here we go, off, here we go. So very easy. And about on off, here we do have some pre-programmed mode. So we go to auto. So now we do have this party light on, everything automatic. Pre-programmed mode right there, showing all the light capability. Now, if we get to the sound button, they are going to react to sounds or music and loud talking and stuff like that. And you can change the mode of those sound systems, sound detection with those buttons. So we have mode 1 and mode 2. So mode 1 is this, and now the light will move in those sequence with the sound or music. And then we have number 2. And then the light will move, the big light will move with the sound, like so. And on mode 1, like so. Otherwise, color, it's pretty basic. You can just turn everything red, everything green, everything blue, etc. Another pre-programmed mode, it's called the jump mode. Here we go. And for all those pre-programmed mode, let's go back there, we do have a speed selection, so you can increase the speed of the light blinking or decrease the speed, of course, with those button right there. And you have much more capability here, or pre-programmed mode, like show 1, 2, 3, etc. So you can, here we go, have the other pre-programmed mode called show that you can access directly using the remote control. In any case, thanks for watching. Hope this video has been useful. Now you know a little bit more about those nice RGBW lights with tons of program that will enhance any party.